Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is 顿顿说中文，我是顿顿。And today, actually, I just went back from a middle school because I think it's my first day, to go to a local middle school to share some Chinese language with them. And actually, it was pretty excited for me. Also a little bit busy because I think I got up like 起床 to get up like around 7点 like 7 o'clock in the morning. Then I left maybe 8 in the morning. 早上8点去学校 go to the school. Then came back here. I think maybe I spent 5 or 6 lessons there. 6节课 6 lessons. Then I came back here. Now it's like 下午3点 no, maybe it's 4 下午4点 it's 4 p.m. in my place. But yeah, which means I haven't been to the supermarket yet today. 今天还没有去超市. But yeah, I need to go later because I think I need to buy some fruit. So, speaking of fruit, as you can see in the title today, we can, learn some fruit because I think me myself is a huge fan of all kinds of fruit, I can say. I can't name one that I hate actually, maybe some of them, but I haven't tried all the fruit yet. So first word today is fruit, 水果. Actually, 水, I think a lot of you guys know 水, right? 水 is water, so like 一杯水 is like 1 cup of water, because 杯子 is cup. Now 一杯 1 cup. So like this will be a bottle will be 瓶子 bottle. If you want to say a bottle of water, we use 瓶 as the measure word. So it's 一瓶水 a bottle of water. Also, if you want to say a bottle of wine, 酒 so you can say 一瓶酒 For example, my friend sent me like a bottle of wine. They can say 我的朋友送了我一瓶酒 Okay, so continue back to our topic. It's fruit. 水果. So I will just start to name some food very normal and I like. So the first one maybe recently is 苹果 is apple, so 苹果. For example, you can say 苹果很酸 sometimes it can be. So 苹果很酸 means sour, 那很酸 very sour. So we can say 苹果很酸. Actually, iPhone, because the shape of it, the logo shape is an apple. Phone is 手机, so we can say 苹果手机. Okay, next one. I think I just recently, it's my first time try one kind of pear in UK. It's pear in Chinese is 梨. But I think that one I try, its name is 啤梨 Pi from 啤酒 because 酒 means wine and 啤酒 means beer, so it's like 啤梨. It means the pearl of in the UK. Maybe I will show a picture later. And I think next one, watermelons. Anyone like watermelons? 西瓜 Actually, 瓜 itself means melons, like all kinds of melons. For example, 黄瓜 黄 means yellow and 黄瓜 is actually cucumber. 黄瓜. And 西瓜 and 西 as in Chinese it means west. So I think it may be in the past we think its melons come from the west, watermelons. So we say it 西瓜. So I can say the color inside is red. So I can say 西瓜是红色的 红色 means red. Next one maybe I think grapes. 葡萄 So we got purple one. 葡萄是紫色的 Or like green one. 绿色葡萄是绿色的 Or 葡萄很甜 Sweet 甜 So actually we got one that made from grapes, for example. So we can say you combine 葡萄 and 酒 So it's like 葡萄酒 It means the one that made by grapes 葡萄酒 And next one will be orange 橘子 Okay, so you can say 橘子很酸 Because sometimes it can be very sour, right? 橘子 Okay, I think next one, let me check my list. Okay, next one is strawberry 草莓 So actually 草 itself means grass in Chinese 草 For example, we can say maybe say 牛吃草 because 牛 means cow and 吃 means eat, not 草 means grass. 牛吃草 means the cow eats the grass. And we can so 草莓 May itself means berry. 草莓 strawberry. And we can also say blueberry. Blue is 蓝 so it's 蓝莓 blueberries. 蓝莓 and maybe blackberries. Black is 黑 not blackberries 黑莓 One more is like 火龙果 Actually let's 果 means kind of the fruit of some trees. So it's like 火龙果 火 itself means fire. 火龙 龙 actually means dragon. So 火龙 is fire dragon. And 火龙果 means dragon fruit. Just look at, maybe it's because the shape, the top of it looks like fire. So it's like 火龙果 I can say 火龙果很甜 火龙果很甜 Anyone still remember 甜 It's sweet, right? Sweet. So I want to ask you guys, 你喜欢吃酸的还是甜的？你喜欢吃酸的还是甜的？ Do you like sour thing or like sweet thing? For me, myself, I think I prefer sour, but not too sour. A little bit will be okay. And I don't like things too sweet. 太甜的东西我不喜欢吃太甜的东西 as in things, stuff. So, when people ask you, what do you like? What kind of fruit you like? You can say, 你喜欢什么水果？你喜欢什么水果？什么 as in what? 什么水果 what fruit? So now you can answer me. For me, I can say 我喜欢所有的水果。所有的水果，所有 means all of them. So 我喜欢所有的水果。And if I need to give you a few choices, like for example, we're gonna learn a sentence structure. It's like 你喜欢 A 还是 B? So you can put two subjects here in A and B. One is A, one is B. It means do you like this one or that one? 还是 in here means or. For example, 你喜欢苹果还是香蕉？你喜欢苹果还是香蕉？ Do you like apples or bananas? Do you like apples or bananas? 香蕉 is bananas. So for me, I think in here I will choose 苹果. So then we are getting to next round. It's 你喜欢苹果还是西瓜？你喜欢苹果还是西瓜？ Do you like apples or watermelons? In here, I'm gonna choose 西瓜. So I will say 我喜欢西瓜，我喜欢西瓜。So in here, you can actually say 我喜欢西瓜 I like watermelons or I like eating watermelons. 我喜欢吃西瓜。我喜欢吃西瓜。Okay, so I think you can practice. For example, we learn noodles, 面条 and rice, 米饭 So you can like 你喜欢面条还是米饭 Do you like noodles or rice? For me personally, 我喜欢米饭 And how about you? Okay, so in here, when it comes to fruit, 水果 I think we might use some verb. For example, first one, I think plant is 种 For example, 我想种 I want to plant a maybe apple tree. 我想种苹果树 Apple and 树 means tree. So it just add the fruit name, then add tree. It will be that tree. For example, 橘子树 But some of them are not actually trees, right? So you can just use the fruit name. For example, strawberries. You can just say, I want to plant some strawberry. 我想种草莓 Or cabbage, 白菜 我想种白菜 Okay, so the first one is plant 种 And second one, I think maybe pick it. Once you go like plant some trees, then you can just pick it. It will be 摘 So maybe you can say on the weekends 周末 I want to go to pick apples. 我想去摘苹果 Or I want to pick some blueberries. 我想去摘蓝莓 So 摘 is pick. So like for me, actually, I dreamed about maybe my dream life is like have a farm, but I don't actually like enjoying the plant thing. But I quite enjoying the picking apples thing and picking all kinds of fruit. It doesn't matter what fruit it is. I just like the feeling about harvest. I just like that. I don't know why. So when it's autumn, I would talk to my friend that if you need my help with pick anything in your farm or like maybe pick apples, pick oranges, you can call me anytime. I'm free, and I don't. Yeah, it's okay. You don't pay me. I just want to help. I just want to enjoying the picking process. I don't know why. Anyone like do the same like me. So next one is eat, right? When you pick it, maybe after you pick it, you can wash it, right? 洗 So for example, 洗草莓 like wash the strawberry, then you eat it, 对吧？吃 For example, 我想吃香蕉 I want to eat bananas. So maybe we can ask 你想吃什么水果 Maybe when your friend or your family go to shopping, they will ask you what kind of fruit you want. 你想要什么水果 Or 你想吃什么水果 I can say 我想吃香蕉我想吃西瓜我想吃橘子 Right? So I think it covers like most of the verb. Yeah, just this one are the most common one. So now let's review what we learned today. First word is fruit, 水果 right? And the second one is blueberries, 蓝莓 and bananas, 香蕉 and watermelons, 西瓜 and maybe strawberries, 草莓 and orange, 橙子 and pear, 梨 and also we learn grapes, 葡萄 and one is 酒 so the one made by grapes will be 葡萄酒 or just say red wine, 红酒 and water 水 Now, a bottle of water. Yeah, actually, I haven't learned the English way, like above wall, about, yeah, a bottle of water. I just say that. 一瓶水, 一瓶水, and a cup of water, 一杯水, 一杯水. Because 杯子 is cups, and this one is 瓶子 And let me think anything else. Oh, apple 苹果 Then iPhone 苹果手机 because 手机 means phone. And yeah, and one more I think, dragon fruit 火龙果 And also sentence we can learn a bit. For example, 你喜欢什么水果？你喜欢什么水果？ What fruit do you like? And we'll also learn sweet 甜很甜 For example, 蛋糕很甜 The cake is very sweet. 蛋糕很甜 because 蛋糕 means cake. And I think sour 酸很酸 very sour 很酸 So exact 不酸 is not sour 不酸 And I think that's basic. Oh, also the verb plant 种 and pick 摘 and wash 洗 and eat it 吃 as you already know that one 吃 And I think we also say some colors of it, right? Maybe red 红色 green 绿色 purple 紫色 But I think I will record another videos about the colors, so that would be fine. Also, one more important sentence. I think when you go to buy some fruit, you need to know the price, right? Know the price. So normally we'll say, for example, 西瓜多少钱一斤？多少钱 as in how much? 多少钱 And 一斤 is like half the kilo. So I think in China, most of the things that we buy, like veggies and fruits, the price is for half the kilo. So I can say 一斤多少钱 or 多少钱一斤 both will be okay. For example, 香蕉多少钱一斤 How much for half of the kilo of bananas? 那比如说橘子多少钱一斤 How much for half the kilo of oranges? Okay, so I think that's pretty much. Hope you enjoying it. And again, this is 顿顿说中文，我是顿顿 And actually it's quite enjoyable for me every time I record the videos. I don't know how you guys feel. And if you have any questions or advice for me, please leave a message below and I will appreciate that. I will check and respond as soon as I can. Also, if you are looking forward for more videos about Chinese, you can give a like and subscribe my channel. I will try to record more. And bye guys. I need to go to the supermarket now. 再见，拜拜. See you in my next video.